All right, we're back again. So I just finished the incline support. So the next one I'm going to do is the number 2, the spacer plate. So I'm going to close out of this bad boy. I'm going to go to new. And again, this next one is going to be in inches as well. So I'm going to use the English template, standard IPT, go to create. I'm going to go to start 2D sketch. Again, I'm going to use the XY plane. It really doesn't matter which one you choose to use, but I just like using the XY plane. And then we can start drawing the sketch for this. So again, I'm going to start with my line. I'm going to start it on the origin here. I think what I'm going to do this time, I'm just going to go up, straight up. It says it's 6.5, so I'm just going to go 6.5. We'll start with try to do the actual dimensions this time. 6.5 up, we're going to go 6.5 over. Make sure you try to draw it kind of perpendicular to the one you just to that line. So that's 6.5. And then there's a little angle here. I'm going to go down, straight down a little bit. I'm going to come over. I'm going to go straight down to this line. And then back where I started, the green dot. I'm going to right click, hit OK. Now I'm going to add the dimensions that I'm missing some movies out of the way a little bit. All right, so the dimension from this corner to this edge here, that's 5.5. I got kind of close, 5.5. From here to here is 2.5. This line is 2.5. Not worried about my circles. What else? Yeah, from here to here is 8. I got that one. Yeah, so we're fully constrained here. So I'm gonna hit the green check mark to finish my sketch. I'll hit the home icon here to get my image in the screen. And then I'm going to go to extrude. I want to extrude it back the other way. That's just my personal preference. And then the thickness is 0.125. That's kind of a thin looking piece. Anyway, that's what it is. That's what it is. All right, so now we're gonna go to start 2D sketch. We're gonna add our circles here. So I could add both circles and extrude them. I think what I'm gonna do is, I'm trying to decide what I want to do. I think I'm gonna do one at a time. I know, don't complain. So I'm gonna go to circle. I'm gonna add this bottom one here. I'm gonna dimension it. So that is 2.5. And then I'm gonna dimension from the center to the bottom. That's 3. And then from the center to this edge is 2.5. So we're good there. So I'm gonna finish this sketch. I'm gonna extrude cut all the way through and hit OK there. Now what I could do is I have extrusion 1, extrusion 2. I could, if I double click on it slow, I can rename this. So I'm just gonna name this like, would be the actual like plate. going to do that in capital letters because I'm old and I can't see. So, and then double click that slowly. This one is going to name this big or large. Let's do large. Large hole. Okay, that way I know what's what. I'm going to start 2D Sketch again. And now I'm going to click on this face. And then I'm going to pan this down in the middle. I'm going to go make another circle somewhere over in this area. I'm going to dimension it. That one has a diameter of 1. Oops, that one got way. So what I can do is I think I can grab the center here and left click and hold it, and then I can move it kind of around where I want it to be, somewhere up out of the way. Now I can dimension it. So this one is going to be from the center to the top. That's going to be 1.5. And then from where else? Oh, yeah. From the center to this edge is 5. So there we go. We're fully constrained over here. I'm going to finish my sketch. Wait. Hold on. This right here, this needs to be 1.5. I'm sorry. This is 1.5. I thought something looked a little funky. Is that right? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now we can finish our sketch. I'm going to go to extrude. I'm going to go to extrude cut all the way through. Hit OK. I'm going to name this one, double click really slow, like 1, 2. Small hole. And then I'm going to save it as spacer plate. Spacer plate, and then put my name here. Leech. There we go. All right. Those are the first 2 exercises. We're going to keep going. We got a lot more coming for you. All right. Peace out.